Hey, what's up guys, Jamie here. Just wanted to do a quick little video on the Ionic badge. And the Ionic badge is actually a really simple component inside of Ionic. It looks something like this, just this little badge looking thing right here. It just has a little bit of styling. You can change the color. It's just kind of a nice place to put a number inside of a list or just on your page anywhere. And the way you use it is exactly like it says just right here. You just declare the Ion badge. So we're going to be getting this working on our own blank site. So if you don't have your own project set up, be sure to check out my video on getting started in Ionic, then we'll get you set up with your own project. So I'm just going to paste this in right here, and we can have this say whatever we want. So we say just Ion badge, that's the tag name, and then in here goes the content. I'm just going to put in JamieBot right there, that's my channel name. And so if we refresh our page here that's serving up the app, then we'll see it says JamieBot right there, and it's colored based on the primary color by default. All of the colors are defined in the variables.scss, and so the primary color right here is this blue looking color, and then I could change it to be the secondary color, which would be kind of like a lighter blue if we wanted to. So I'll just go back to the home page, and then as described in the docs, we just say color equals and then secondary. Okay, so now it'll be that more light blue color. Okay, so now it's that more lightish blue color right here. So that color can be any of these you have declared in here, the secondary, the tertiary, any of these inside of your variables.scss. Alright, and then the only other thing you can really configure about the Ion badge is the mode that it's in. So like on Chrome and Android, the mode is going to be more of a material design look. So MD stands for material design. So in the docs it says it's either MD or iOS. And so iOS is used on Safari and iOS on like your iPhone or something. And so you can change it manually if you just want it to be one way or the other. So you can set like the mode to just override and always be like iOS or something, whatever you want. And so take a note of how it looks right now, and then see now how it's more circle. That's the iOS design. Whereas if we change it back to MD, since I'm in Chrome right now, MD is the default style, and so it has more of this kind of rounded rectangle look. Anyways guys, the Ion badge can be used inside of lists and things of that nature. They have kind of a great integration with the list right here. You can see that it just goes towards the end of the list right here. And I will show you that behavior. So quickly I'm going to make a Ion list. Okay, and then make an Ion item inside of that list. And then inside of the Ion item, I'm going to put an Ion label. This will be the text, and here I'm just going to put hello world, and then I'm going to put an Ion badge. Okay, and then inside of the Ion badge, I'm just going to put a number like 100, something like that. So let's see how that looks. Alright, so there we go. So the default behavior, like I was saying, the Ion list just kind of plays real nice with the badge. So if you want, you can just throw the Ion badge inside of the Ion item, just right there. Make sure that this right here is an Ion label, not just the plain text like that, because the Ion label plays nice with Ion badge and any sort of other things you want to put in the Ion list. And then with that said, you guys, that's basically all for this tutorial, just kind of demoing the Ion badge. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.